And here we are going to actually do the training. So from scikit-learn neighbors import KNN, K neighbors classifier. Okay, I'll explain the details later, but basically I'm going to import another class from a library, and then from that class I create a new object called my model. You can call it any name you want, and when I create this object, I specify that I want the K in KNN, I want it to be 4. Okay, and this means that I'm now training my model with the training data from above. X train here and Y train from here. Okay, and then I'm going to take a look at the model by stating its name. Okay, or you can instead use the print function here. So let's do that. Now you can see that there's an error. Let's try to fix the error. It says that cannot convert string to float Germany. That's because we have, in the features, we have a feature which is not a number, which is a string. So we need to fix that. How do we fix that? Well, in this case, we are going to fix it manually. So let's do that. And for all France, we are going to call it 1. It's not doing it. Why? Okay, I should click replace all. Okay, so let's change all Spain to 2. And it's done. And let's change all Germany to 3. It is done. And now it's okay. So let me save this file. So it's going to save as CSV format. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Now it has been saved. So now that this file has been changed, so we have to go up there and load it again. And let's take a look. As you can see, the country is now represented by numbers. Then we run this cell again. Take a look at the feature matrix. Take a look at the target vector. Still yes or no, that's okay. Do the train test split. Okay, and then we still have a problem. Okay, previously we had a problem. Okay, that's because some of the variables has not been properly reset. So the best thing to do is to go to kernel, do restart, clear output. Okay, restart and clear all outputs. Make sure that all variables are reset. So let's run these cells one by one, and it should be okay. You can just keep on hitting the run button. Now the train test split. Now the training is now complete. No problem. Okay, and after the training, you can actually do the prediction. Okay, now when we do the prediction, we are going to predict on the test set. Okay, so let's run it, and after we run it, we are going to take a look at what's inside, what's in the predicted array. So let's run this first, and then you see there's some kind of warning. Okay, and it's okay because this is only a warning. Okay, it will still run, and then we have yhat. The result is in the yhat array. So let's print the yhat array and see what's inside. Is no yes. As you can see, the test dataset has only 2 rows, right? And this is the predicted, the yhat. Now let's take a look at the actual values of this test set. Okay, so let's print. What should we print? we should print the y test. Okay, the y test. This is what we are trying to predict. Okay, let's take a look. And it is no, no, which means that this prediction is correct and this prediction is incorrect. And this is a very simple machine learning using KNN. Thank you.